You trembled like you see a ghost, and I gave in. I like the things you need the most. You said, where have you been? I'd fallen from grace, took a blow to my face. I've loved and I've lost, I've loved and I've lost. Explosions on the day you wake up needing somebody and you've loved. It's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. You left my soul bleeding in the dark, so you could be king. The words you said are still untold to me, and I've lost my faith in everything. The nights you could cope, your intentions were gold, but the mountains will shake. I need to know I can still make explosions on the day you wake up needing somebody and you've loved. It's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. Explosions on the day you wake up needing somebody and you're right. It's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same.
Silent night, broken night, all is fallen when you take your flight. I found some hate for you just for show. You found some love for me, thinking I'd go. Don't keep me from crying to sleep. Sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, moonlit night, nothing's changed, nothing is right. I should be stronger than weeping alone. You should be weaker than sending me home. I can't stop you fighting to sleep. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace.
Whenever she is weary, she climbs a hill and crosses a dark trail, and there she finds the fox in the wooden glade. She lies by a rock and she's red. She flicks her ears as I whisper, I'm gonna hunt some tall tree, mother, and I want to bear a fruit. But I saw your face carved in clay, and I saw it outlined against a purple sky. It goes loud and deep in you, loud and deep. I wanna hit some tall tree, and I want to lay my food for you, and I carried your
Next up in our program, we have a senior song.
Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say or do, I still feel you here till the moment I'm gone. You hold me without touch, keep me without chains. I never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love and not feel your rain. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so tall. I'm just the way I'm supposed to be, but you're on to me and all over me. I live here on my knees as I try to make you see that you're everything I think I need here on the ground. But you're neither friend nor foe, though I can't seem to let you go. The one thing that I still know is that you're keeping me down. You're keeping me down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're on to me, and all over. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long.